Hi, I'm Burt True with the law firm True & Associates. Today, we're going to talk about how to deal with an insurance adjuster. Hopefully, you don't get in a bad car wreck every day, but the insurance adjuster deals with wrecks on a daily basis. Do you really think you're going to do a better job of negotiating with an insurance adjuster than the last 100 people he talked to today did? You say to the adjuster, I've got all these medical bills, and the adjuster says, send those bills to me, implying that his company is going to pay those bills. But that's not true at all. They're not going to pay any medical bills until you release your claim. And they probably won't even pay the medical bills then. They'll probably make your health insurance company pay them. The adjuster will say, we have to have your medical records to verify that your medical treatment is related to the wreck. Really? Do they think an ambulance ride on the wreck date is not related to the wreck? Do they think that 3 weeks in the hospital starting on the wreck date was because you caught a cold? What they really want to do is they want you to authorize them to go through your medical records. Do you really know who is looking at your medical records once you sign one of those authorizations? And there's no time limit on how far they can go back. They hire specialists that pore over your medical records looking for some pre-existing condition that they can blame your injuries on. I once had a client whose husband was killed in a car wreck. The insurance company lawyer tried to claim that my client's husband was already dead before the wreck, like my client was driving around town with a dead body in her car. The adjuster will say, well, you have health insurance, so you're not really out that much money. But they don't mention that you are entitled to recover more than your medical expenses. And they don't mention that the law prevents the at-fault driver from taking advantage of the fact that you have health insurance. And here's the biggest fib. You don't need a lawyer because they'll just take a huge chunk out of your settlement. What they don't tell you is the amount that they pay on claims when a lawyer is involved is much higher than what they pay to those people who try to handle it themselves. The adjuster says, we cannot pay you more because this amount is the insurance policy limit. They don't tell you about the other insurance policies. They don't tell you about uninsured motorist stacking of insurance policies. They don't tell you about medical expense coverage. They don't tell you about underinsured motorist stacking. They don't tell you about the umbrella policies that are in place. A lawyer is trained to find insurance. Even your own insurance company will not tell you about this extra insurance. So, you probably don't replace your furnace every day, so you hire a company when you need it. And you don't build cars for a living, so you don't build your own car from scratch. You wouldn't perform surgery on yourself to save money, so why would you not hire a lawyer to represent you in a legal matter, especially when the lawyer will do the work and you'll recover more than you would have if you try to do it yourself. I'm Burt True with the law firm True & Associates. If you have a suggestion for a topic, please post it in the comments below. If you're watching on my blog, you can subscribe to this blog by email. Just click the link below that says subscribe by email. You can also follow this blog using Google Friend Connect. This will keep you posted with new updates to the blog. If you'd like to discuss something in private, click the Google Voice gadget below. You enter your telephone number and Google Voice will connect us. If you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, get notification of new videos. You can click the links on this video and view my law firm's television commercial or other interesting videos on personal injury and wrongful death topics. You can follow me on Twitter at Burt True. You'll get noticed when I post a new video. I'm Burt True with True & Associates.